Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the vlog. We got a Catless downpipe to install on a Subaru. We're gonna do stage 2 Cobb 93 octane. So just gonna go meet up with Logie B, get the Catless downpipe, and yeah, let's fucking go. All right, I think we're recording. Alright, just on our way to Logan's house. It's 5:09, you know, just waking up. Gotta get my coffee. What is this? Bruh, what are you doing? Come on. Hello? Can you move out of the way, mate? What is this? What is this AIDS? Go. Bro, I've been sitting here for... Oh my god. Alright. Sick. My friend, do you know how to drive? There you go. Jeez, bud. I don't think people know how to drive. Can't see me with the front window tint though. I look goofy as hell right now because I'm wearing a GoPro on my head. So glad I have tint. Yo, sick knee scooter. Damn, I swear this Trailhawk does not know how to drive. Come on. But that knee scooter though, damn. It's pretty sick, bruh. Oh, and that's a train. Let's go. Let's get her going, bud. I do not want to wait behind this train. That's a new driver, that Trailhawk. I wonder if I can zoom in on that, but his mom was just like telling him what to do, and he's like freaking out. Yeah, I ain't getting caught behind this train. I swear to God, if that's Cobb up there. Oh God, please do not be a cop. Alright, well, looks like we beat the train. Do a little pull for you guys here. Clean these roads so bad. My paint is just destroyed from these tires and the rock combination. My shifter's making some clapped out noises now. That's always a good noise. All that really sick Chevy Impala. Oh, Flex Fuel E85. Absolute race machine. Oh no, his window's undone. I do not want to talk to him. Got a GoPro on. It's gonna be really awkward. Oh God. I really hope they can't see me. So, good. Thank you. Have a good one. That's so fucking awkward. Why did I do that? Ugh. I had a fucking GoPro on my head. I look like a fucking crackhead. No. Oh, I don't. Oh God, I gotta stop on them again here. Oh, no. Oh, we got 2 cops. Hopefully they don't pull me over. I think it's this turn, maybe? Oh God. Oh God. That's a huge pothole there. Jesus Christ. Just gotta text this guy real quick here.
We'll pop the garage.
Alright, I'll probably park along the brown fence or something.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, see ya, buddy.
Yeah.
You're back into it, brother.
Ooga doogas.
Definitely gonna stupid.
Hold on.
Ow! Fuck! Ow!
Cut my fucking finger. Oh, look at that cocksucker. Dude, I think you blew a head gasket. Once we get the heat shield off, we just take the downpipe off the turbo.
Yeah.
That'll be easy. There we go. I see the struggle now when people are like, oh, my mic was off. Oh, she's getting loose.
Yeah, I still see one more though.
It should be quick after that though. How long have you guys
and
been?
this bracket too. That's gonna be a bitch.
Well, why do you have to remove the bracket?
Well, holy fuck! No way that's coming off.
The bracket?
Yeah. Do you see where it is?
Yeah, I don't think it does need to come off. I don't see it like attached to anything. I feel like people are going to click on this video thinking it's a good, like, in-depth, like, how to install it. Nah.
Oh, this is coming.
Just a bunch of idiots trying to figure it out. Should I go get us some coffee?
That'd be dope.
You want to drive us? Go
Sure.
get some coffee. Alright. Alright, so we got the heat shield off. We're getting some coffees for this dude because he's a working man. We're in that car trades. Bro.
Trust the process. I'm cramping. Oh, I'm cramping. I'm cramping.
Where is it? Is it like all the way under? Or?
Yeah.
You're going to get it on there, but there's nowhere to fucking rotate it.
Bro, you need like a fucking rock climbing thing, like a belay system on your roof so you can float down over top of it.
Should we just like use a plasma cutter and just run it off? Nope. She is gone, my friend. Yeah.
Is it still warm?
No. Oh, I'll test it.
No, I was touching it earlier.
Do it with the backside of your hand. You fucking idiot. That's where all the nerves are. Right on the tips of your fingers.
Exactly, so you can feel how hot it is. Stupid heat shield. We'll just wrap the hoses above it.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's the turbo. Got the heat shield off.
Actually kind of looks...
Just need to get a few screws for the downpipe to come off, and this bad boy goes on there.
Oh,
Some prime welds here.
Should we just let it soak?
Hey, what can I get for you?
Yeah. Can we get 2 orders, please?
Yes, whatever's one.
Medium vanilla creamy chill.
2 double what?
Coffees.
So what size?
Medium.
2 medium doubles, anything
Yeah.
else?
No, that's it.
370, please.
Thank you.
No worries.
Love you.
Ow, fuck. I still have that glass in my finger.
People are going to fucking hate us. Going to become very popular real quick here.
It's just my car.
What are you fucking doing?
Spooling up my turbo. Get back in your car.
I guess she does not like the turbo.
She's not.
The turbo
The
spooling.
race car golf.
No. Hey,
Oh, she
cool.
flipped me off. Hello.
People are just mad today.
Pretty good yourself?
Pretty good, thank you. How'd you like to pay today?
Cash and then debit on the second one. What was she saying?
No?
Alright.
Thank you.
The straw's right in there.
Okay, thank you. She seemed very pleased. Thank you.
Hope you have a great day.
You as
Yeah,
well.
you too.
You too.
Stay safe.
Go.
Did anyone else hear that lady inside say what a bitch or something?
She said dipshit or
You're
something.
dipshit to us. Side? We're just trying to get a coffee, babe. Was that to us or to the lady?
Try and have some fun.
Hopped out of her fucking car. Bro, I got the Karen.
Tyrell.
No train horn.